Departure's looking good. We're coming up on a nominal here.
Okay, all flight controllers, gonna go for landing. Retro, go, righto, go, right, so, control, go, Delcom, go, GNC, go, Econ, Sergeant, go, onward, go for landing.
Hi guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool, Helipad. Hey, you're probably going to be wondering, what the heck are you doing just out in the middle of the boonies, just at a exit? Just hanging out. Well, I'll be able to tell you in just a few minutes, maybe about 10 seconds. Huh, what is that? That looks like a trailer full of goodness. Yes, a trailer full of goodness. Here we go on a road trip to deliver more awesomeness for other people. You guys stay tuned. How's it going? Bill and I have got to be some really good friends, and this was a really nice time that we could spend together on a pretty cool road trip. All right, we are here. Ben's place, and his epic Leland build is looking great. Whew. Subframe is on. Oh, the light bars. That is all new from last time.
Hi, Jim, Bill. Hey, Bill. I have another neighbor coming in the night from Huntley.
All the big things.
Okay,
We delivered one Saturday, and we had a kid, a wife, dad, and the owner.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
2,000 pounds, right? But there's a load of pieces.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, so each one of these, this may be.
He's done a lot of work since I've been here last.
That's what I was thinking.
Ah, yes. Delivery is made. This stuff is gorgeous. Yeah, I'm hitting the road again today. Going to be meeting up with a really terrific builder. He is going to be picking up a flat pack Habitat from us today in Portland. So I'm going to head on down there, make sure that everything goes swell. I'll see you guys in Portland. Tax deductible. And magically we appear here at the Clackamas Metalworks. There is another set ready to go out, flat pack. Okay, a little bit of inventory. Where is he? Ah, there it is. Oh, tried it. Woo! That's some long pieces there. That is going to be a big, beautiful box. Whoo-wee. Nice. This box is 24.5 feet. Oh, it's going to be epic. Yingwei, you are going to have a smoking awesome box. We can go up to 30 feet. Just got to get specially a little bit longer extrusions, but that's not a problem for the Metalworks guys. Yowza. Hey guys, come with me inside the man cave. I've got something to show you that you're going to find very interesting. So hey guys, this is what I wanted to show you. It is the Maritime Traffic Global Shipping Tracking Map. And there is a huge problem right now coming into the United States. And I'm just going to zero down in it just on the West Coast. Now, just about a month ago or 2 months ago, there was about 48 ships, cargo ships, container ships lined up in the Long Beach, Los Angeles seaport. Now there is 72, and it is just getting worse. Look at all of these cargo ships lined up waiting. Each ship has 20 to 24,000 connexes and big, huge cargo containers. And you do some math and you say, wow, that is equivalent to a little over 1.5 million truckloads of items that is in this area and just sitting here waiting and waiting and waiting, months on end. So the problem here is getting your merchandise from Asia and Europe. It is just taking forever, and shipping prices are going through the roof. Shipping companies are making money hand over fist because shipping is such a problem right now. And over the United States, there's almost 300 ships waiting in port out of all the ports around the country. But you know what? At Globe Trekker, all of our products are made right here in the United States. We don't have this kind of problem, and therefore, we've been told by our panel manufacturer that we can get panels within 4 weeks. Full disclosure, at Globe Trekker, we have experienced some lead time creep, but it hasn't been due to shipping, especially from overseas. Mainly what we have faced is the scarcity of aluminum extrusions. We have solved this by stockpiling quite a large supply. And we believe the delays should be far behind us. Now, we're going to go ahead and say 4 to 6 weeks because we want to put a little bit of buffer in there. But 4 to 6 weeks, if you order them today, you can have your panels by Thanksgiving. You could have your box assembled, if you're on top of things, by Christmas. If you want a winter project that you can be proud of and you'll be ready by summer of next year to go to all of these really awesome Overland Expedition Expos, order now. This is the beauty about USA Made. Not only are you supporting USA workers, but you're also getting your habitat and your subframe and all of your components very, very early. So if you've got an FMTV, Unimog, F550, Ram 5500, even if you've got an Isuzu truck, these subframes and these habitats have been built for you. Check them out. They're on the website, www.rvglobetrekker.com. You won't be disappointed. And now for just the pure enjoyment out of it, some FMTV eye candy. You guys stay tuned. Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Today we're at the mission, and our mission is to take down a couple trees. Let's see if Malachi has it in him. All right, there we're locked up. That was easy. Hey, thanks for coming with me today and stopping by the man cave. I really do appreciate it. If you liked the video and you enjoyed the entertainment, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I so much appreciate it. Until next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless. Isn't that right, you rotten cat? Yep. Yep. You are pretty spoiled, aren't you?